All right, y'all, what it is, what it ain't. It's your girl, Honeybee Z, and I'm back with another message. And I normally be having the words for y'all. Today's word, today's inspiration, today's motivation. But today, I'm motivating y'all to try a new look. So, I recently just cut my hair off because my soul said it was time for a change. So we're going to listen to our soul. We're going to listen to her because she know what she needs. She know what she wants. And I saw a post, I believe, on Instagram. And it says, your new life can't do... I forgot. But it says the new you needs you to be bald headed. The new you needs new hair activity or something like that. The new you can't operate with the long hair. Your soul is calling for you to do short hair activity. Short hair, you know, a woman about to change some things, about to do some things when she change her hair. So, let me put my little earrings on. I recently cut my hair off. I was ready for a new change. I was ready to look grown and sexy and be on my little pixie cut shit. And so today we're going for a platinum blonde. So I'm just basing my perimeter with some good old fashioned Vaseline so I won't burn my skin off. I've been looking at videos for the past week and decided to go with Ion Color Brilliance brand. I got this from Sally Beauty. It came with the whole little kit. This whole little kit was $15. And when I looked at it, I was like, but it's about the quality. Quality. And everything comes with it. It got the lightener, the developer. It came with 30. So this should be a smooth application, smooth little lift. I don't have much hair. A little booster that I added for $2 to boost the color. And of course, Shimmering Light shampoo to help us tone. It already came, it says Lift and Tone Lightening Kit, so it already has like a toner in it. But I got this just for future references. So we're gonna start off by mixing. I've been warming it up. It say warm it up and move it around. So we gonna go and get this thing cracking. I hope y'all are having a beautiful day. Wherever this video finds you, I hope you're in a good space, some good energy. Oh, these nails is... There you go. Okay. Okay, hold on now. Okay, you got a whole little kit. So come with this, come with a little mixing tray. Came with an applicator, mixer. We got our gloves. And it came with this little old school cap. I like it. So it could be used again, hopefully, for something else. Okay. So I finally got it open. I think that's enough. Shit, I think that's more than enough. But now we're gonna add the developer. It says 1 to 1.5, so. We're also adding the color booster and protector of your scalp. So I'm only supposed to add a little bit of this. All right. Now we finna get the mixing. I'm mixing it in this little tray. And from all the videos that I've been watching, you want a nice thick consistency. Not too sloppy, not too wet, but also not too, okay, this don't have a harsh smell like the other bleaches. The Developer smells like conditioner. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon because now it's starting to smell. It's starting to smell. Okay, we got a nice little consistency. I honestly think this is too much bleach. I don't even have a whole lot of hair. But you want to saturate it. I'm gonna add a little bit more Developer. Let me put my gloves on. I just added a little bit more color booster. All right. I think we got done. I'm gonna dry. I'm gonna have to use it. It don't say how long you're supposed to leave it on here, but it say no more than 50 minutes. And it say don't use heat. All right. You're gonna start applying. Now in the videos, they was saturating that girl head. So yeah, I made enough. I mixed enough. I'm trying to do this in one application. I'm not trying to do this again. I'm not trying to bleach my head again. So one video I watched from the Ice Queen, she was like, saturate that shit, saturate it. So lay it on thick. Make sure you get behind that ear real good. I don't want no patchy. Feel me? No patchy application. Okay. Ooh. I'm just using the gloved hand to spread the application around. Or to help with the application. I said to spread the application around. To help with the application. Make sure I get up here in this crown. About done. All right, y'all, I was going for the Platinum Blonde. We still got some yellow undertones like around the edges. And this took about 2 tries, going from dark hair to Platinum Blonde. I'm gonna tone it again. I'm gonna just let it sit, and I'll probably have to bleach it one more again. But overall, I like what it turned out to be. I like what it turned out to be. Yeah, but we still got some little yellow golden undertones, but you know, it'll grow on me. Maybe I'll let the sun hit it or something. I don't know, but it's cute. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute. I like it, I like it. Yeah, this took about 2 tries. Using the Ion from Sally Beauty. Very gentle on the scalp. It's for sensitive scalp, sensitive skin, so it really did its justice. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna let it rest. I'm gonna let it rest because I don't want to burn my head off. I don't want to burn my head off, y'all, but it's cute. It's cute. Get these eyebrows did. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute.